In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and log out of Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a personal site or helping out with a business page, knowing how to easily access and exit your Weebly account is crucial. Let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and type in weebly.com into the address bar. This is the starting point for managing your website with Weebly. Once the page loads, the homepage of Weebly will greet you, showcasing its features and inviting you to create or manage your website. Right at the top of this page, you'll notice a login button. Clicking this button will direct you to the login page. Now you'll need to enter your credentials. In the field provided, type in your email address or username linked to your Weebly account. This username or email should be the one you initially signed up with. After entering this information, click on the Next button to proceed to the next step in the login process. If your Weebly account is linked with Square, a platform often integrated for managing payments and sales, you'll then be prompted to enter your Square account email address. This step is necessary to ensure a smooth and secure login, especially for those of you who might be using Weebly's e-commerce capabilities. Following this, the next field will require your password. Carefully type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure the caps lock key isn't inadvertently turned on unless your password specifically requires it. Once your password is in, it's time to click the login button. Congratulations, you're now on your Weebly dashboard. This is your hub for making changes to your website, viewing statistics, and much more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the different options available to you. When it comes time to log out, look towards the right corner of your dashboard where you'll see an option labeled My Website. Clicking here will pull up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu you'll see Sign Out. Selecting this option will ensure you securely exit your account, a crucial step if you're using a shared or public computer to manage your site. And there you have it, the full cycle of logging in and out of your Weebly account is complete. Whether you're creating updates or just checking in on site activity, these steps will help you manage your online presence with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these guidelines enhance your Weebly